All right, so our first step, we're actually gonna work on how to light the Moxa sticks and put them out. The very first step anybody should be learning is not putting everything together, just burning somebody or trying to do the treatment. That comes later. Let's go ahead and start to light the stick, put out the stick, light the stick, put out the stick. Go over that 2 to 3 times, maybe even 4 times or 5 for some of us, just so you are familiar, because you don't want to light this and think you put it out and all of a sudden leave this on the counter, or somebody, let's just say you have small children, they see some smoke coming out here. Oh, that's candy. Ooh, daddy. Ah. Yeah, burn their damn tongue off, mouth all on flame. Now you in the emergency room and the doctor looking at you like you fucked up, but you just being a parent and being a little bit silly, but you're actually a good guy. But the doctor ain't gonna see it that way. So now, like, wait a minute, we gotta call the police. We gotta call Child Protective Services. This is why you don't want problems right now. And plus, we're doing a pandemic. It's not a great time. I don't know when there is a good time to go to the emergency room. It really isn't. I don't care if you're rich or poor. Again, as I stated earlier, make sure you put this stuff out. Let's go. Or the unused part, or if it is a burnt part, you can still relight this if you want to. I'm just going to use a fresh one. That's all I'm doing. Okay? But normally I would just light this side again. All right? But this time I'm going to go over here. Now, you're going to keep your flame on it for at least 20-30 seconds, give or take. Maybe 15 at most. I mean, at the minimum. But it needs time to burn, so you have to keep it on for a little while, just like a cigar. Cigars have to be lit pretty good, or you'll be puffing it. But we're not going to puff it the other end. Closer to a window, it's not going to set off my alarm. It may seem like it is, it won't. Relax. But just in case your fire alarm is close to you, you might not want to do Moxibustion if the fire or the smoke alarm was like right here. No, no. It has to be at least in another room or several feet away from you. All right. So see how it's burning nice and even. The smoke's coming out. It smells good. We're releasing the demons, getting all the negativity out the way, all the bullshit. You say your prayer or your mantra over them. You are, you're the supreme Wiccan, the supreme leader, the supreme, I don't know, taco supreme, all that good stuff. Whatever you are to that person, you are taking away all their negativity and their problems, and you are blessing them with the smoke. Okay? So we lit it, or we took fire to the Moxa stick. How do we put it out? We went over fire alarms or fire hydrants or extinguishers. What do I do next? I need to learn how to put this out, because if you try to put this out with your finger, even all the spit in the world, you're gonna burn your fingers. Take your little bowl of water. So see, we have our bowl of water right here. All we're gonna do is douse it in there and bring it back out. Not too much, not too little. Take your stick and then make sure it's not too hot. Don't just put it right to the skin. No, no, no. Again, do not just put it to the skin. It's gonna burn. Make sure you put it in your hand first. And see, it's warm. It's very, very warm. So this one you do fast, really, really quickly, because it's hot. Like I said, remember in the very beginning, this one actually burns really, really quickly. But I mean, I can take it. It feels good. But if I leave it right here, I'm gonna take the pain. Hold on. We're getting there. That's it, right? It's getting toasty. I need to move it on. Oh, Jesus, right? Don't let it get hot like that. Though. Move it. Keep it moving. Trust me. Keep it moving. The wind cools it down, or the air, as fast as you move it. But if you let it stagnate, it's gonna conduct heat. So remember, you just want to sit there. You want to get in there real quick. But it feels good though. Mm-hmm. Mm. Inside the arms. The biceps. deltoids. It feels great. So now we're gonna put it out because you can do the whole body with this one, but it's getting warm. As I said, you gotta quickly go through it. If somebody's super cold, give them this one.